Hey, it's Kyle with Birmingham Real Estate TV, and today we're going to have a tour of the Lake Wilborn Clubhouse. Coming right up. Welcome to the tour of the Lake Wilborn Clubhouse. This is an amazing facility. You're really going to love this tour. You can see all the amenities that you get with a Lake Wilborn home purchase. We'll start over here to the left, and it's got this awesome outdoor entertainment area with stacked stone fireplace. Plenty of room to have a big party out here and socialize. And I'm going to pan off to my right and show you the pool. This is an infinity pool. And wow, look at how cool this is. This is a great space for summertime. We're looking at it right now in the beginning of fall, so they don't have all the chairs out, but it's just an amazing facility here at Lake Wilborn. There's a bath set off to the right, his and her bathrooms. I'll just give you a really good view of that pool. It's an amazing facility. You'll get a swipe card that gets you entry into the gate. There's this corridor here. If you go down this little corridor, there's going to be a weight room at the end of the hallway there. And now I'm going to show you the Lake Wilborn Entertainment Room. This is the main portion of the clubhouse. It's just a gorgeous facility. You can see all the way up this beautiful ceiling. There's seating in here for, gosh, I would say probably 100 people. Plenty of room to have an event. I've been here for a real estate event before and it was great. Back here you've got a double entry door into that fireplace area that's outdoors. And they've got a little kitchenette in here. You can rent this for parties. The light's going to turn on when I walk in. Really cool space. Kitchen prep area for the parties. Decorated beautifully. Here's one more view of the entertainment room at Lake Wilborn. And one more really good shot that I want to show you is the huge, oversized indoor fireplace. This really is a fantastic room for entertaining. Little tri-set window area on the opposite side that overlooks the pool. Another prep area to lay out food. There's a buffet of food for parties over there. And I'm going to show you the rest of this. Coming out of the main event room is the corridor. The right side of the corridor leads to the pool, and the left side is a meeting room that you can use for any kind of conference, neighborhood association, organizational event. This is at the front of the clubhouse, and it's got another sink area and bar area over here. Just a really pretty space. And I'll back up, twist a little bit there and show you the main corridor. There's a bathroom set on both sides. And we're going to come down and show you the fitness center. Here we are at the workout room. And wow, it's huge. There's a lot of great space in here. They've got a Smith machine over on the left side. There's a section for free weights. Some random machines in the center. And then over on the right side, they've got treadmills. There's some elliptical machines. And then they have this universal workout area here in the center of the facility that's great. All this comes inclusive with your home purchase here at Lake Wilborn. One last feature of the Lake Wilborn Clubhouse is the outdoor gazebo that's on the lake. This is the beginning of the lake that runs out on all portions of Lake Wilborn. And at the bottom of the sidewalk here, where the gazebo is, there's a canoe launch, and of course there's plenty of room for fishing. This is attached to the parking lot at the swim club, so you can park and easily do multiple events at one time. It's a great facility and great weekend events here at Lake Wilborn.